Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Android OS. So if you're new in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest update. So let's get started. So guys, Android released a new Android version, Android 10 few months ago, but step by step the release version on some device. Today I get notification from system update, so check it out. As you can see in my setting option, the show system update is available, and I also free up my storage, so I have 14 GB free of storage, and I also has 10% of battery life. So click here. If mobile did not show any notification, please go to I'm showing you, go to system and system update, then check your update available. And as you can see, that show Oneplus 6 Oxygen OS 10.3.0 and update size is 1740 MB. As you can see, new options. If I update, system upgraded to Android 10 and brand new UI for Android 10. Fix some lots of options, and also fingerprint and camera and Wi-Fi connectivity. And final one is Red Cable Club. It is only for India, so we will not get this service. So download. As you can see, it is downloading almost 2 GB file. So finally download done. Now update is installing. So it is almost done. It take more time. Actually, in latest update Android 10, it has 10 major features. One of them smart replay and sound amplifier and gesture navigations. And now reboot. It's rebooting, and also the added dark theme, privacy controls and location control, security update, and another feature is focus mode. I think if you're on focus mode, some apps doesn't work. And final one is family link. You can control your child or your family member. And my phone is rebooting. This logo is pretty nice, just rotating. Yes, finally update done, and yes, phone is starting. Yes, it boot up and it is almost done, I think. So from any area the skin this detection. Yes, it is working. Wow. Yeah guys, it is updated, and it is also checking finishing system update. And I'm going to setting. Yes, Oxygen OS your system is up to date. 10.3.0 is updated, and I check about. As you can see, Android version is 10. Yeah, and Oxygen OS also updated 10.3.0. This settings section is divided by some line. Yes, it just switches to another apps nicely, which is great. So pretty much that's it. If you like this video, please thumbs up and share my video. And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon